Did you know you can turn a rough and messy sketch into a masterpiece in just a few minutes? You can take a hand-drawn product sketch and turn it into a final design with Picsart Flow. As a reminder, Picsart Flow is a node-based AI workflow tool that lets you ideate, iterate, and automate designs on a single visual canvas. My name is Haik, and today I'll show you how to take a simple idea from a sketch and turn it into a 3D prototype, create product variations, and even generate editorial mockups. So let's get started. Let's head over to Picsart Flow and create a new workflow. For today's tutorial, I've come up with an idea for a perfume brand. So I'm going to start by creating a few image nodes and uploading a few rough sketches that I made by hand of the bottle design that I have. As you can see, I've done a little research on what kind of perfume I want to make with some notes. I want to give the design a modern twist with a slightly angled nozzle and some curved indents on the side of the bottle for maximum hand tactility. I also named my brand Nostos, which means return to home, inspired by the Odyssey. What about you? What would you name your brand? Comment down below. So let's start creating. The fun part begins now. First, create a new connected image node from the middle bottle sketch image. I'm choosing Nano Banana Pro. Let's take this sketch and turn it into a fully 3D prototype by typing something like this in the prompt box. Turn pencil sketch into a 3D prototype. The product is a glass perfume bottle with a slightly curved perfume nozzle with a flared base. On the right side of the bottle are indents into the smooth shape of the glass with organic shaped indentations, a perfect fit for a hand. Have the perfume bottle be on a plain off-white studio background. Have the bottle be filled 3/4 of the way with a light yellowish orange perfume oil. The more details you provide, the better we'll get the results. Wow, look at this! The result is pretty amazing and really close to my vision. You see, instead of making a 3D mockup myself for a few hours or hiring someone to make it, Picsart Flow can help you visualize your product design ideas in a flash, leaving more room to explore and experiment. So now, let's create our brand's logo. Write a short and detailed prompt and that's it. Now we have a perfect logo that looks perfect to me. I like this glass bottle so far, but I want to elevate it and make it more luxurious. I'm going to create 4 connected image nodes from this bottle image. For the first one, let's try a frosted glass texture with an amber gradient at the bottom. And for the second one, let's do a different brighter color. Maybe an aqua blue with some gold at the top. For the third, let's add natural stone materials. And for the fourth one, let's try a completely new material, terracotta, to mimic the actual ancient Greek vessels. Now let's click generate for all 4 ideas and wait for the magic. These color and texture experiments turned out fantastic. I'm very happy with all of these. But for this example, let's just pick one and add our brand's logo to it, so we can post it on our social media. Create a new image node. Connect the bottle and the logo image node to this new image node. Open up the prompt box and type something like this. Add the Nostos logo near the base of the perfume bottle in gold foil. Below the logo type is a smaller subheader of the perfume name called The Long Return in the same modern sans serif. Once you're done with the prompt, click generate. After a few seconds, we have an elegantly branded perfume bottle. And of course, this is so much better than the sketch we started with earlier. Now, let's create some mock editorial images to explore how we can imagine these as creative marketing ads. You can, of course, build a studio setup with lighting and backgrounds and props, but that takes time and money, which not every individual or business has. So instead, you can generate editorial backgrounds using Picsart Flow and combine them with product imagery to create world-class creatives. So create a new text node. I'm thinking of a natural rock formations, a sunset, some flowing water, and a few flowers as a node to the perfume. So let's type in exactly that. Then connect a new image node from the text node. Adjust your settings and click generate. We now have a really cool editorial background, a perfect fit for the perfume bottle. Now let's add our bottle to this background. Create a new image node from the background node. Connect the bottle with the logo on the new image node and open up the prompt box and type this. Add bottle to rock scene. Make sure the bottle lighting is natural but highlighted enough that it's distinct from the setting and background. Make sure the logo and subheader are clear and bright. After a few moments, we have an amazing and ready to post image with a studio quality background. Look at this. Now let's have some fun and experiments. I want to generate 2 other variations as well. I'll create 2 new text nodes, use different prompts and generate 2 new backgrounds. These are the prompts that I used. And here we go. I've generated a background with nets and another one with some materials. Now let's repeat the same steps and create new images with our perfume bottle. I really love how this turned out. We now have a set of ready to post images we can use to market this brand. All done in just a few minutes and by the help of Picsart Flow. By the way, my favorite of the 3 is the third one. Comment down below which one is your favorite. And I've linked this exact workflow in the description. So feel free to experiment on your own and have fun with it. That's it for today. My name is Haik. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!